Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve this arrow puzzle, which is at the end of level 37 in Escape Game 50 Rooms number 1. And you're actually looking there at my tablet, which is what I'm playing the game on. So what I'm going to do now is just give a number to each of those 7 circles, and that'll make it easier for you to follow along with all the moves that I'm going to show you. So that's 1 is the first circle, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what I'm going to say then is I'll just say, I press on 3 and that moves to 4, and that'll help you follow along and see exactly what moves I'm making. And I'll also put those all those moves in the description section down below under this video. So the first move to make is we press on 3 and it goes to 4. We press on 5, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's 5 there, and that moves up to 3. 6, it moves to 5. 4, the blue one moves down to 6, and then 2, press on 2, and it moves down to 4. Now the next one is 1, and it moves to 2, 3, and it moves to 1, 5, it moves to 3, and 7, it moves to 5. And now 6, it moves down to 7, 4, it moves down to 6, and now 2, it moves to 4, and 3, it moves up to 2, and then 5, it moves to 3, and this is the last one now, which is where I'm going to press on 4, and it'll move to 5, and that'll solve the puzzle. So 4 moves down to 5, and there's the hammer. Goes up over here in the menu section, and you use that to smash your way out of the car and solve level 37. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.